to live just like Him. Though oft I fall, but Him much shame. It's my desire to live for Him. It's my desire to help someone today, someone who may have failed to see the way. I too was once so lost, but I found my way to God. It's my desire to live for Him. If you could see where Jesus brought me from to where I am today, then you would know the reason why I love Him so. You can't take this world, its wealth and its riches. I don't need earth's power. It's my desire. It's my desire. It's my desire to live just like Him. Thank you, God.